Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am. I do, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
100%, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am. None.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
If you are unwell, please stay in the Philippines, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Shigela Dian Makusi, ma'am. I am 40 years old.
I need to know some few more details from you. Do you have passport?
Yes, ma'am. I have, ma'am.
Are you
I
single or
was born on
married?
married, ma'am, but separated now for 12 years.
Married but separated,
Yes,
but
I
still
have.
married.
Yes, ma'am, but still married.
Okay, when is your birthday?
I was born on October 27, 1984, ma'am.
What is your
I have,
height and your weight?
I'm 60 kilogram, ma'am, and I'm 5'1", ma'am.
What is your religion?
I am Roman Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
I am high school graduate, ma'am.
Do you have children?
Yes, ma'am. I have three children. The youngest is 17, the second one is 18, and the eldest is 22.
The eldest is 22, the second
Yes,
is 18, the 17, the youngest is 17. Is it?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have two sisters, ma'am, and three brothers.
What is your rank in your family?
I am the second daughter, ma'am.
What about your parents?
They were passed away already, ma'am.
Okay, what happened to your husband? Why you separated?
Because he is so lazy, ma'am.
So lazy. In what way? He don't have any job.
Um, yes, ma'am. He is jobless for very, very long time ago, ma'am.
Didn't find any ways to find some job or to earn some money?
All, ma'am.
Okay, do you have any working experience as a housemaid?
Yes, ma'am. In our province, ma'am, in La Union, I stayed in a couple and one son. They have a 12-year-old son. I
Okay,
stayed,
so is this your first time working abroad?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, how many years you work in La Union?
From January 10, 2022, ma'am, until February 23, 2024.
January 10, 2022
Two, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
until?
February 23, 2024, ma'am.
So you were there for 2 years.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you share it with me? What are your primary duties to your previous employer in La Union?
I do cooking, ma'am.
Okay.
Clothes, took care of their son, um, go to grocery also, ma'am, and ironing clothes,
How old
cleaning
is
the
the
house.
child that you take care?
12 years old, ma'am.
Sorry?
12 years old, ma'am.
One child only?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? Why you decided not to continue working to this employer?
Because the salary, ma'am, is very low and I need to provide for my son's college, ma'am.
Okay, so after 2024, do you have any working experience?
I do some small business, ma'am, like online business only, ma'am.
Online
Yes.
business. Okay, so 2024 until recently, you are in online business.
Yes, ma'am. Small
You
online
work
business, ma'am.
in an online business. So you know that being domestic helper is very tough, right?
Ma'am, I do,
You
ma'am.
need to get ready. You need to fasten your seatbelt because this is not the Philippines that if you wanted to go back home easily is you can go back home. You will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Breaching of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency has nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. You need to be flexible. You need to be multitasking. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. I am very ready, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am. I do,
Can
ma'am.
you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only. After that, you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. If you will work, of course, the employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I just wanted to make it clear in our initial interview that you agree our rules and regulations. We don't want that once you come to work here in Malaysia, you will going to demand us about all these things and you will going to ask permissions to your employer. No such a thing because in our initial interview, in the first place, you agree and we will going to adhere with our no go out policy. Okay?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So how will you gonna fight your homesickness later, knowing that this is your first time working abroad and you will working quite far away from your family?
I will focus on my work, ma'am, and I will think why do I need to go to abroad? It's because of them.
Okay. So always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work here in
Yes,
Malaysia. You
yes,
wanted to sustain your family's needs. You wanted to have a better future for your children, knowing also that you are a single parent right now and you don't have somebody else that you could rely on. Okay? So
yes,
always remind yourself that this is not the Philippines. In
yes, ma'am.
Philippines, we can do whatever we want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer. We need to respect the culture. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what will you do if the employer is not satisfied the way you work? What will you do?
I still do my very best, ma'am, to make them satisfied.
What if they scold you but you didn't do anything wrong? What will you do?
I still apologize, ma'am.
Even you didn't do anything wrong?
Yes, ma'am. I will be humble.
What happen if the employer is keep on following you? Like for example, you do the chores, you go here, you go there, but still the employer will keep on following you. What will you do?
Maybe, ma'am, I will extend my how to say this
What? Patience.
patience. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Exactly, ma'am.
Okay, so Shigila, I
Yes,
think that's all I wanted. Like I wanted you to know. Fasten your seatbelt, embrace. You need to work properly. You need to work hard because you come here to sustain or to earn money. Okay,
yes, ma'am.
so and then after that, the rest will follow. Yeah,
Yes,
always
yes.
follow the rules and regulations. That's all, and respect the employer. So I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my
Thank you
pleasure meeting you. But please stay
very much.
connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you
Thank
very
you
much,
so
ma'am.
much and have a good day.
Nice day,
Bye.
ma'am.